Hey guys, Chris here. Bringing to you another review, being PC related. It's a SteelSeries Apex100 gaming keyboard. It is not a mechanical gaming keyboard. I want to stress that right now. It has got what they call SteelSeries quick tension switches, but they're, if I remember correctly, they're like a membrane type switch, but it's supposed to mimic the actuation of a mechanical switch, but if you need like a gaming keyboard, it lights up. It's not RGB or anything, but it does light up blue, very brightly, mind you. But if you need something relatively cheap, I think if I remember correctly, I paid like $30 for this at Walmart. Very robust keyboard. It's very, it's not flimsy at all. I mean, this thing is heavy. It's got some flex to the board, but not a lot. It's got some very nice rubber feet on the bottom of it, and these things for raising up the back part. Rubber coated cord. It's not a braided cord, but for $30 you really can't expect much. But for basic gaming keyboard that pretty much can do it all. Very, very nice feel to the keys. So I do highly recommend, especially for $30, as long as you just need a basic gaming keyboard and aren't looking for something too clicky. As you can see with this setup, I'm getting into Twitch streaming, so I don't want something that's going to be too clicky on the mic, and this is perfect for that. So it plays like a mechanical keyboard, just doesn't have the clickiness of one. Which is nice, like I said, so it doesn't end up coming across on mic and making a lot of noise. It's got the number pad over here. Pretty much standard keyboard layout. Very nice, thick feel to it. And you've got your standard keys. I don't believe they're removable. Yeah, they're not removable. So don't break the keys. Don't wear them out. But again, for $30, you can't expect much. Unless you want to get like a no-name mechanical keyboard off like Amazon for $25-30 or more. If you want like a brand name, this is a good one. So that has been a brief look at the Apex100 by SteelSeries gaming keyboard. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video.